Hi, are you new here?
Yeah, just moved in.
What's your name?
I'm Jake, and you?
I'm Emma. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, cool. I love Chicago.
Yeah, it's a great city.
What do you do here?
I work in marketing.
Do you like it?
I enjoy it.
Do you know anyone here yet?
Not really, just you.
Don't worry, people are friendly.
That's good to hear.
Do you live nearby now?
Yeah, right down the street.
Maybe we can hang out.
I'd like that.
Do you like coffee shops?
I love coffee.
There's a great one nearby.
Let's go sometime.
What music do you like?
Mostly pop and rock.
Same here. I love pop.
Any favorite artists?
I like Taylor Swift.
She's great.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball sometimes.
There's a park nearby.
We can play sometime.
Do you have weekend plans?
Not really, nothing big.
Maybe we can grab lunch.
That sounds good.
Awesome. Let's stay in touch.
For sure. Here's my number. Hi, is this flight delayed?
Yes, it's delayed now.
How long is the delay?
About 1 hour.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Thanks for your patience.
Do we stay here?
Yes, please wait here.
Will you update us?
Yes, we will update.
I hope it's soon.
We hope so too.
Any reason for delay?
Weather issues right now.
That makes sense.
Thanks for understanding.
Can I grab food now?
Yes, food is allowed.
Will I miss updates?
No, we announce loudly.
Hi, any new updates?
Yes, delayed again.
Oh no, how long?
Another 30 minutes.
This is frustrating.
I totally understand.
Is the weather worse now?
Yes, still very bad.
I hope it clears.
Should clear soon.
Can I charge here?
Yes, outlets are there.
Thanks, I need it.
No problem at all.
Will boarding change too?
Likely, yes, a little.
Please keep us updated.
Of course we will.
I'll just wait here.
Thank you for waiting.
Hope we fly soon.
Me too, definitely.
Hi, my kitchen sink's clogged.
How bad is it?
Water won't go down.
How long has it clogged?
Since this morning.
Did you try plunging it?
Yes, but no luck.
Any food stuck inside?
Maybe some veggies.
Okay, I can check.
Thanks, I need help.
Do you have a bucket?
Yes, right here.
Great, put it under the sink.
Yes, under the pipe.
Okay, got it. I'll loosen this pipe.
Will water spill out?
Yes, a little bit.
That's okay.
Looks like food buildup.
Can you remove it?
Yes, give me a minute.
Take your time.
Okay, blockage is out.
Really? That was fast.
Let's test the water.
Turning the faucet on.
Great, it flows now.
It drains fast, no more clog issue.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
How can I prevent this?
Don't dump food here, even small pieces.
Yeah, avoid them too.
Got it. I'll be careful.
Call me anytime again.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Hi, I need to pay this ticket.
Let me see it.
It's a parking ticket.
When was this issued?
Yesterday morning.
Were you parked downtown?
Yes, near Main Street.
That area is strict.
Yeah, I can tell.
Do you know the amount?
It says $50.
That looks right. Can I pay here?
You can pay here.
Do you take cards?
Yes, cards are fine.
I'll use card. Please top it here.
Done. Payment went through.
Your ticket's paid?
Do I get a receipt?
Yes, I'll print one.
Thanks.
Here you go.
How can I avoid this?
Watch the signs carefully.
Even small signs.
Yes, those matter too.
Parking rules are tough.
Pretty tough here.
Do people get tickets often?
Yeah, pretty often actually.
That makes sense now.
Anything else you need?
Anything else you need?
All right, have a good day.
You too, thanks. Hi, I need some meat.
What kind of meat?
I want some chicken breast.
How many pounds today?
Maybe 2 pounds.
Fresh or frozen chicken?
Fresh, please.
Okay. Anything else needed?
Do you have ground beef?
Yes, we have plenty.
How's the fat level?
90-10, very lean.
That sounds perfect.
How much would you like?
Just 1 pound.
Anything else for cooking?
Do you sell pork chops?
Yes, right over here.
These look really good.
Want a pack today?
Maybe not today.
No problem at all.
Do you have turkey slices?
Yes, deli section here.
I'll take some, please.
How many slices today?
About 8 slices.
Okay, 8 slices here.
Is the meat fresh daily?
Yes, delivered each morning.
That's important.
Anything else you need?
No, that's everything.
I'll weigh them now.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I'll pay over there.
Hey, long time no see.
I know, it's been forever.
How have you been?
I've been pretty good.
Still working at the bank?
No, I left recently.
Oh, really? What happened?
Just wanted a change.
That makes sense.
Yeah. How about you lately?
Busy, but doing fine.
Still living downtown?
No, moved last month.
Where did you move?
I'm in North Hills now.
Oh, nice. Great area.
Yeah, I like it.
Do you still play tennis?
Not much these days.
Why? Too busy now?
Yeah, work gets crazy.
I totally understand.
Do you still travel often?
Not really anymore.
Oh, what changed?
Just saving money now.
That's smart, honestly.
Do you miss traveling?
I miss it.
We should plan something.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Maybe somewhere close first.
That sounds good.
Maybe a weekend trip.
Perfect. I love that.
Let's pick a date.
Let's talk this week.
I'll text you.
Great. Can't wait.
Same here. Really excited.